Hey everybody, this is Sam Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape, and I've got some ornamental grasses that I planted last year, and it's time now. We're in mid-March, and I'm going to go ahead and cut these down, cut all the old growth from last season off so that the new growth from this season can come through. And as you can see, I've got mine kind of bundled up and taped with some duct tape. I like to do that. It makes the cleanup process a lot easier. If you've got a larger pampas grass or ornamental grass that some of those get really big around, you can get like a loading strap or one of those straps that you can cinch down, wrap it around the whole thing, cinch it down real tight before you cut it, and that holds all that stuff together, makes it way easier to clean up. And then last thing, just want to try to make sure you cut it off as level as you can, about 8 to 12 inches from the ground. So we'll see what that looks like. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You can take the hedge trimmers and just kind of trim up around the outsides too to get some of this other material, just the scraggly stuff. But that's pretty much it. Now it's ready for a whole new seasons of beautiful growth.